Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you could solve Windows 10 updates errors. So to fix that problem, you will need to go to the search tab and you will type services. You want to make sure to open the services application. You can click run as an administrator if you want to, in case you are using the computer as not as an admin, and then press the key W in your keyboard and we will go till Windows Update. Here we are going to click 2 times. Make sure it's selected in blue by just navigating to it by the mouse. Double click on it and select automatic, apply. You want to make sure to click start and you want to click OK. Now that is done, you can close the services. You want to go to your settings. While going to open the settings application, you go to updates and security and you will try to click download again. Normally it should work for you. If it didn't work, then we will go to the second option, which is editing the updates settings. So you will need to click on advanced options. If it still doesn't work for you, you might want to select receive updates for other Microsoft products, and also you want to select show a notification when your PC requires a restart to finish updating. And once completed, you would like to make sure that you are connected to the internet and try to update again. If it still didn't fix your problem, then there might be an issue with the updates downloaded before, so you can go to view update history and you can go ahead and uninstall updates, restart your computer and try to update, and the updated should be done correctly this time. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.